Greetings, Cindy from Man Body's Locker, and this is my 103K, circa 1948. This is a machine that is sort of an industrial and sort of not of an industrial. It's not meant for factory work, it was designed for outworkers. This particular machine is powered by a treadle. They were mostly manufactured with both the treadle wheel and intended to be powered by either treadle wheel or a smaller underbench motor. I took the motor off this one ages ago because I have no desire to use it as an electric machine. But I do 90% of my dressmaking and tailoring on this machine these days. I do so because I enjoy working at treadle pace, but this machine allows me to sew a lot faster. And a lot slower. I can do it stitch by stitch if I need to, if I'm working on something fiddly like jet pocket or a particular bit of detailing. Now, it's just an awesome artisan's machine. It is still very, very popular in India. There's a sewing machine manufacturer in India who still makes a model in this style, in the style of the 103. And Singer India and Pakistan sell a Singer or Merit badged version of this machine in their range. But of course it's no longer made by Singer. This one was manufactured at Kilbowie, as I said, in 1948. But the earliest versions I've seen of the 103 were manufactured in Germany at Wittenberg, Singer's factory in Wittenberg, circa around about 1910. I'm not sure when the absolute earliest one was made, but yeah, I think they're a great machine. They are not designed really for factory type work. They don't go as fast as even with an electric motor, it won't go as fast as my 291U3 with its clutch motor, high-speed clutch motor. But it'll still go at a cracking pace even as a treadle. And I've got the knee lift, which means, again, I've got that extra ability to work it. I can use all the same industrial machine feet that my 291 uses. It has the same needle system, DB1, same shuttle, which and bobbin case, which is the standard L-type rotary system that most industrial machines use. Yeah, it's just a lovely little machine. Capable of backwards and forward stitching. Yeah, it's sweet.